the lock cylinder automatic assembly machine, which consists of two parts: pin sorting machine, assembly machine. Through the vibration disc to arrange the different pins into the required order. We can do various combinations as long as you need. Then the completed pins are installed onto the assembly machine. The production capacity is about 2,500 PCs per day, with an accuracy rate of up to 98%. Greatly improved efficiency and quality.
Hi, this is Arena. Now I'll take this lock cylinder as an example. Now insert the CO1 key first. And waiting for the machine to recognize the key teeth on the screen of the CO1. You can see the recognition is completed. And now I will place the unassembled lock without pins. And now this lock is finished, and I will take it out to test. If we want to make different combinations, just change the key. This is CO2. With the same process, I will make a new lock for you. Okay, this CO2 lock is ready. Now those two locks are finished. If I change the key to each other, what will happen? So I will take this key, CO1 to CO2 lock. We can see the pins, they are not flat. It cannot work. So with this machine, thousands of key teeth can be recognized and the accuracy can reach up to 100%. If you want to know more information, please follow up our web. Thanks for your watching. See you next time. Bye bye.